Homosexuality. Some people say it can be cured. Well, that takes us to this week's case. Involves a clinic in New Jersey, and there was a clinic that claimed it could engage in therapy that would cure homosexuality. Well, there were a group of individuals who brought suit against the clinic, and they said, you know, those statements are plain bogus. They're not supported by any good science. The clinic, on the other side, in response to those lawsuits, said, hey, you know what? We're having some good results in this. We're having some good results in this, and because we're having some good results in which some individuals who previously weren't excited about being homosexual and came to us, they went through therapy, and they have been cured, and their life has changed. Therefore, what we are saying is in fact true. Well, the case went forward. We went to a trial court, a superior court in New Jersey. There the judge heard the evidence. He heard the briefs on both sides, and in addition, he looked at the science that was presented by both sides. And at the end of the day, the judge came away and said that he found the clinic statements that they were able to cure homosexuality were fraudulent because there wasn't any good science supporting it. Since he found there was no good science, those statements were fraudulent and they were a violation of the New Jersey Consumer Protection Act. And accordingly, the clinic was found to have engaged in fraudulent statements. So what do we learn from this case? Well, we learned a very simple thing, and we've heard this many times here on Law Talk, and that is that the law changes based upon what science brings to us today. As we all are aware, there's all kinds of research that goes on day by day, minute by minute, and that science brings to us understanding that we previously did not have. And as a result of that, our law, the way in which we actually apply the law, changes. And in this instance, we saw a Consumer Protection Act used to basically find a clinic that was saying it could cure homosexuality was engaged in fraudulent conduct. Okay, we bring you this case as we bring you cases every week so you understand how the law works. I'm David Allen.